Wow. Okay, well, are you...
Oh, is that it? Was that the final one?
No, there's one more.
Oh, okay.
I feel like this is a complete opposite story. But...
You're absolutely right. This is the complete opposite story. Why don't you set it
I
up?
figured we can do something fun since this is the last story. It's the most dogs in a conga line, and it won a Guinness record. A trainer had over 10 dogs in a conga line and was able to wrangle them up and do their thing. And I figured, like, this is the epitome of our society right now. Like, we have just, like, these dogs that are... I mean, it's a amazing feat to train all these dogs to get into a conga line.
Right.
But in what world is this useful?
No, it's not useful at all.
Like I said, it's impressive.
He got each one in order. Oh, it's kind of freaky, actually.
In big to small. Like, they somehow know how to recognize their size.
That one in the back, third from the back, looks like a psycho.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And the trainer's really buff.
Gotta be.
I gotta put that in there.
Gotta be, dude. Manage all those dogs like that. Wolfgang Laurenberger, the trainer who previously set the Guinness World Record for most skips by a dog on hind legs in 30 seconds, set another record, the most dogs in a conga line. The adorable line featured 14 of his canines, each of whom effortlessly stood on their hind legs while perching their front legs on the dog in front of them. Laurenberger broke the record that his young daughter previously held with 8 dogs back in December 2019. He's like, 8? We can do better than that.
Yeah.
A few more.
I'm going to crush your record, daughter.
Daughter?
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing out here, Guinness? Yeah. He's like, don't you see these biceps over here? I get a bigger conga line than you.
I'll muscle my way out of this.
I don't know, Will. I mean, you say maybe it's not useful, but for his business, it probably is. He shows off that if he can get those dogs to do that, and then you need your dog trained, you're like, damn, look what that guy can do. It's his version of an F1 car. He's like, check me out, man. He's flexing.
Yeah.
Not his biceps, but his training capabilities.
Yeah. His training seps.
Yeah. He's like, don't you want your dog to be this well trained as well?
I just think this was
it is so weird looking.
funny.
I agree with you.
Just
there is no world in which it's immediately useful, though. I can agree with that. These dogs, what do they want to be? They want to be like pulling a sled or doing some work or running around. They're not trying to like tiptoe on their hind legs like a weird guy holding all these food and whatever else. But hey, listen, there's a lot of dogs there's a lot of dogs with crap behavior that could use some dude like this.
Yeah.
You know, a bunch of jerks out there too, and they have no training. So if you want to be at the extent like the high end level of training like this guy is, then you have to be capable of pulling off stunts like that, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Make the case for it. So